You're Sokovian. Is that what this is about?
Sokovia was a failed state long before you blew it to hell. No. I'm here because I made a promise.
You lost him.
I lost everyone. My son was excited. He could see the Ironman from the car window. I told my wife, don't worry. They're fighting in the city. We're miles from harm. And the dust cleared. And the screaming stopped. It took me 2 days until I found their bodies. And the Avengers, they went home.